Okay. Help! Hold on.
I got it. This is good.
Here, get up. Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So like always, we're going riding. We're checking out some new sand pits though. We're here at, I don't even know what to call this.
Secret spot.
Secret spot.
Secret spot number like 20.
You guys have seen this in like all the recent videos. This is where we've been riding basically. Except the last video actually. I'll play some clips. But we've seen some new spots and we're gonna go and try and check them out. So I'll see you guys on the GoPro. A bit icy. The heavy 450 is gonna fall in. That was the worst of it from what they were describing to me. So we'll find out. Fucking slick. Help! 3, 2. Ready? Here, get on it. Ready? Yo guys, so I wasn't really talking much to the camera. I apologize for that now, but basically what was going on, we discovered this new sand pit. We kind of mapped it out on Google Maps first. Then we adventured there from our normal riding spot. It was pretty dope, as you guys saw those clips. And then when we were heading home here, you'll see Mark gets stuck in the mud, and I'll let it play from here. Okay, hold on. Right. Bit muddy. Yo guys, welcome back to another video, or maybe the same video actually. It's a different day. We're going riding. A spot you guys have seen in a couple videos. Here comes Mark. Is it icy? What?
A little bit in some spots, but you can go around some of it, but
Alright guys, new day, new riding place. Wow, we're out here in the sand pit. You guys have seen in a couple videos exploring around, and we're gonna do some lap times. Mark's up first, then Ian, then me. What's he at for time?
25.
25 seconds so far.
Yeah, it is perfect. Right above but behind him.
$43.24.
43.24.
I got that beat.
Think so?
Here goes Ian.
alright, predictions.
A minute.
50.
No, I think it's gonna be like a 48.
I'm guessing a 50, 52.
I'll say 54. 51?
Alright, I'm gonna say
Alright.
49.
49,
52.
52, 51, and I'll be 53.
Mark's the most supported.
Mark is the most
I
supportive.
just think it's just wide open. I don't know how you feel. Oh, I hit the jumps too. Do you have to hit the jump over there? I hit the jump over there. I couldn't move it. There's a big jump over there. So
What's the time?
4.8.
54.8. So I
right.
won. Yeah.
53. 54.8.
did you hit the jump though? I hit the jump over there.
Fucking slick.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Ah, I fucking hit my knee.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. I slid over the top, it looks like.
Yeah, your back wheel went over.
Oh, yeah, you did. Mark, that's what I'm talking
And
about.
it's like fucking straight ice right there.
Mark, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, that's it.
Ah, fuck. Straight to the knee. That's why I need those knee braces, dude. I would have been fine.
Hey, Joey, I don't want to rub it in, but I got fast lap time.
You can have that one.
It's just
Yeah, that's true.
video.
That's true.
All right,
There's no bias.
because I crashed, now we're doing a jump contest.
Joey loses. It's
Yeah.
That seems like a terrible idea. I'm out. I crashed.
Like that, dude. Ian landed down here, man. He was over in the corner.
Look at right, see right here, there's a new mark. Hey, does it count where you land or where the bike lands?
Your back wheel.
Bike.
Yeah.
The bike lands, I can win. Right? can win with that.
That's true. The back wheel, man. If you want to Brian Deegan it,
If you want to just fucking
let
her eat, let her eat. It'll be less weight on it too. It'll go.
You could at least reach me.
Clutch lever's already shot anyway.
Oh, you broke it?
Yeah, I broke it last weekend in the pit, and I forgot to get a new one this week.
It's not even that bad.
No, it's not.
When I break mine, they're like fucking.
I know, it's like a nub.
When I had this
Mark's
Suzuki,
like,
I'd break it like once a fucking week, and it'd always be like right there.
Yeah. It was annoying. I broke mine
Could
like.
we glue it?
I always like when I fall, I feel like I hold on to it. I'm like, don't break, don't break. I ripped my grip, but.
Oh, yeah. Further, we have to jump further than that.
I already quit.
No, we'll make it like we'll start easy, and you just got to keep going further and further. That will help you. Keep going up, keep going up, keep going up.
No, I could do it.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep
I
going.
just need to.
Right. Yeah, do the first one right there.
Right where
So
Ian
go a little
landed.
bit faster than what
I
you
just
were
need to
doing.
like ride the track a couple more times.
Watch the arm.
All right, where's the line, Evan? That one?
Yeah, we gotta land that one.
Watch the arm, Mark says.
Did it, so. I just see sand
What
flying.
happened?
That's Mark's, and then that's yours. Might be a tiny bit back. Mark's might be. Push him back like a foot, and that's where your back tire landed.
Do you see the arms fly?
I was
No.
trying to look at your fucking. I was trying to see where your tire is.
Oh, Joe, that's where your tire is right there.
We're right here on the line.
Yeah, on that first line. All right, back. Get a screenshot of where mine was.
Bro, I haven't marked it.
I don't care. Brake tap in there, you saw that?
You guys,
I got super sketch coming up to it. I was like, fuck, I don't know if I'm gonna make this.
you both passed.
Oh, you can see our marks right there.
Nah, that's not you.
No?
Mark's like right here, ish, and then you're right here.
Mark made it like 2.5 feet past.
Yeah, so you guys are off by like this little bit.
All right, mark it again.
Yeah, should we smooth out the jump a little?
Right in the middle.
Yeah,
He's got a big rut in it.
Jump's getting a little rutted here.
Truck back here. Just drive on it.
Smoothing it out. That was the first line we went to, second line, and then third. This angle doesn't show how far it is. How far would you guys say that is?
40 feet.
40 feet?
Oh, that's not 45. Let's see it.
Okay. Attempt 1 at 50 feet.
Fuck it. Well, why don't we get some video proof? We're all just saying with our eyes.
You're setting the 60 line mark, so when you got hurt, it was self-inflicted.
Okay. I'm not gonna get hurt though.
Okay, let's see
Let's
it.
not say that.
Nah, you're good.
Hey, clean that up a little so I don't see his tire mark.
Okay. He's gonna jump from there to here, which is about 60 feet. Thank you, Ian. All right, he was a little short. He's gonna try it again. I don't know, the video looked like he might have made it.
Nah, not when I was close. Stand right here, you'll see. Oh, he got it.
Whoa.
Magical.
It takes skill. Mark, you've got skill.
Pretty good, huh?
Yo guys, so I think that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Sorry I wasn't talking much and kind of narrating what was going on. I don't know, I was just kind of focused on riding and whatnot. And as you guys saw there, once I fell, I was kind of lost my vibe. I was just kind of mad. So I stopped talking and whatnot. But before that happened, I had actually already ordered knee braces, which I'm super pumped on. I'll probably do a little video on these coming up. They're just some Alpine Star knee braces, which should definitely help me ride faster and keep me from getting hurt. But overall, pretty fun 2 days. As you guys saw, we checked out that new Sandpit, and then we went to a Sandpit that we've rode for a while. A lot of fun. So we're just hoping for more good weather, and we'll continue to ride and pump out some videos. If you're new around here, make sure to subscribe because there's a bunch of new content coming. As some of you may know already, I'm racing Supercross Futures in April at Gillette. So there'll be a bunch of content on that. We're going to try and make a Supercross track. No promises yet. We're going to see what we can do. But other than that, lots of videos to come. So if you're new around here, subscribe. If you like this video, smash that like button. And let me know what you thought down in the comments below. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.